Today is Monday, and as you already know, new videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's get to this, shall we?
Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez.
Hello, Pezzers, and welcome to the Unboxing Pez Show. Today we get to open new Pez, and you're here too. That makes today special. Let's get to it. Check out this box of wrapping paper that's wrapped with wrapping paper that are Pez dispensers. I know we've seen this before, but this is always a special thing because sometimes I opt not to open these at Christmas and save them for the show specifically. So here we go. We're going to open this right now. What is it? Oh, would you look at that? It's a truck, a blue cab truck with a purple body. Wow. Free the Pez, I always say. Let's get this off of here. Let's get this off of here. Let's attempt to get it off of here. There we go. There we go. Wow. Comes with 3 packs of Pez candy, grape, strawberry, and orange. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. Pez, 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 the greatest candy, the greatest candy in the world,
The greatest candy in the world.
Pez, the greatest candy in the world.
And a toy you can play with. Check out this toy. It says Pez, and there's the Pez mascot. We have the purple body and the blue cab big rig, spinny wheels. Oh, it's so cool. Love that color combination. Fantastic. Big rigs, we got a lot of Pez to get out to the Midwest. Let's get shipping. Let's get going. Convoy time.
The Unboxing Pez Show will return after these short messages.
It's fun. It's delicious. It's Pez.
And now, back to the Unboxing Pez Show.